Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with the morning announcements. Good morning, Joya. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday, Mr. Martinez. Good morning.
Good morning, Luca. We really always look forward to Luca on Fridays. How are you doing, Luca?
Hello, I'm doing pretty good.
Hey, guys, I've got a brand new flag from a TK student. Wait till you see the amount of work that Arabella put into her flag. Check this out.
That is so beautiful. I love it.
She looks like she used some paper to tear the stripes. She's got maybe is that cotton there for the stars?
Yeah, cotton balls.
She's even got the year our country was founded, 1776. Shout out to Arabella. Joy, lead us on.
Place your right hand over your heart and begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right. So thank you, Joya. Thank you, Arabella. I wonder if these are like her classmates up here or maybe her family members. She really did a great job. Shout out to Arabella. Thank you so much. Today is Friday. It is February 5th. We've got a beautiful day today as well as the whole weekend, guys. Sunny and temperatures in the 70s. What do you think about that?
Great.
Very nice weather.
Yeah, I'm hoping to get outside and get some exercise. Hopefully you guys are too. Today is Friday and it's Luca's Laudable Laughs. Luca, go ahead and take over the screen. I'll remind everybody that the focus this week was to send in your pictures of Punxsutawney Phil, our groundhog, since it was Groundhog Day on Monday, huh?
Yes. That was the prompt for this week. Okay, so first up we have Sawyer, and this is his picture of Punxsutawney Phil. You can see in this picture he saw his shadow, which he did see on Groundhog's Day. He did see his shadow.
Luca, did you hear that Joy and I got it all mixed up? We thought, sorry about this. But Sawyer knows he's got that shadow in there. 6 more weeks of winter. That is a great picture.
It feels like summer anyways.
Yeah.
This is Isaiah's.
Don't.
Okay,
go back to Isaiah.
Back. So this is Isaiah's picture. He has, again, the picture of the groundhog. He's coming out of the ground, and he also sees his shadow over there.
Great job, Isaiah. As always, that looks just like our Punxsutawney Phil, man. Great job. Isaiah never disappoints.
This is Abigail, and this is her drawing of Punxsutawney Phil right here.
Joya, that looks like when they pulled Phil out of his burrow, right? Remember?
Yeah, I think this might be like a hand right here.
Yeah, great job.
I thought that was his brother.
Yeah, nice job, Abby.
And this is May's drawing. She says spring or winter, and I'm Phil, and you can see him right here. He sees the shadow.
Great job, May. Love it.
This is Lucas's.
Wow.
This is a really good drawing because you can actually see the burrow around like little bits of grass.
Wonderful job, Lucas. That is a fantastic groundhog. I love that.
And that's all, folks.
Oh, thank you, Luca. Thank you to everybody that submitted in for Luca's Laudable Laughs. Luca, I'm going to give you a focus for next week. Can I give you a focus?
Oh, yeah, sure.
So listen, we're having a dance party for 2 dance parties, a 5th grade dance party and an all-school dance party. It would be great if kids would give you recommendations for songs play at the parties.
Yeah, my class did that. We should definitely do that.
Okay, so put that up so we can collect a whole bunch of different artists and songs.
Yeah.
So you heard it, guys. It'll be ready on Sunday. Go to the website, Luca's Laudable Laughs, and tell them what songs you want at our dance party. Guys, today is Friday, and every Friday we have a Unity Fair family video. We have an awesome one today, and it comes from Luke, one of our students, and it is highlighting his family's background, his French background from his family roots. So here we go. This is Luke in France. Guys, did I hit the audio? Were you hearing the audio on? Okay, I did. Just double checking. Okay, wait. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Luc. That is French for hello, my name is Luke. My family is from France. France is a country in Europe. Paris is the capital of France. The tallest building in Paris is the Eiffel Tower. Gustave Eiffel built it in 1889 for the World's Fair. At first, people in Paris hated it, but they eventually learned to love it. Did you know the Statue of Liberty was a gift to the United States from France? Gustave Eiffel helped build the Statue of Liberty. Remember the Disney movie The Hunchback from Notre Dame? Well, the story took place in Notre Dame in the cathedral in Paris, which is one of the most visited and beautiful churches in the world. It was recently caught on fire, but they're rebuilding it now. The French love their sports. They love soccer. One of their favorites is the Tour de France. The famous bicycle race started in 1903. The winner cyclist who gets to Paris is the winner of the race. Paris has one of the best museums in the world. Can you guess what it is? It's the Louvre Museum. It was originally a palace. And who is the most famous lady living in the Louvre? Yes, you guessed it, the Mona Lisa, painted by Leonardo da Vinci. This used to be the Mona Lisa, but today, this is the Mona Lisa, which is very unfortunate. When you think of yummy food, you must think of France. France is known for their delicious pastries, breads, wine, and cheeses. Did you know that there are over 400 different cheeses in France? Wow, that's a lot of cheeses, right? The French love cheese with fresh baguette. I love baguettes, but without cheese. Yum. And there might be a bakery right here, I don't know. And this is usually what a croissant looks like. And this is a piece of bread, but they are not pieces of paper. Did you know that you actually say a lot of French words every day? Here are some you might recognize. Déjà vu, television, soup, salad, rich, restaurant, omelet, gallery, hotel, and machine. There are a lot more too. Look them up, it's fun. Also, please look up déjà vu because I'm pretty sure you're not gonna know what that is. Did you know that French fries are actually not from France, even though they have the word French? They actually come from Belgium, at least I think. And the French actually claim that French fries were actually made by them, which I have no idea why they do that. It's kind of weird. Also, here's the little French minifigure with a baguette and French bulldog. This is the outfit that I'm actually wearing. This would usually go like this. My figure would go like this with a bulldog. Ruff, 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 ruff. So, au revoir.
Wow, complete with the French bulldog Lego set. Wow, what did you think, guys?
That was really nice
Yeah.
and informative. Very
Mm-hmm.
cool.
I like how they used the Google Earth pictures where, like, you can walk around, and they showed the historic sites in France using. I feel like that feature is underused.
He used that French word. He said déjà vu, and he told people to look it up if they didn't know what it meant. Do you guys know what déjà vu means?
Yeah.
I thought about like experience the same thing twice.
Exactly. Yeah. Like you've
I
been
know the
in that
story.
situation before, right?
I have a theory that it's the Men in Black, brainwashing you, and then you experience it again.
What is the Men in Black?
Oh,
It's a movie.
Yeah. I'm craving a French baguette and maybe a croissant sometime this weekend. I can feel that coming on. Great shout out to Luke. That was an awesome video that you guys put together. I love that his outfit matched his Lego French Lego set. That was pretty cool. Guys, we are celebrating Black History Month, and I'm going to put a poster up of a famous movie up on the screen. We're going to highlight this movie this morning. Joy, tell us all about this movie.
The Wiz was a musical on Broadway that was turned into a film in 1978. It is a retelling of The Wizard of Oz in the context of African American culture.
Luca, you want to add on to that?
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Hold on. Hold on.
I got you. While on Broadway,
The Wiz earned 7 Tony Awards, including Best Musical. The film stars include Diana Ross as Dorothy and Michael Jackson as the Scarecrow.
absolutely. And boys and girls, you can stream this on Amazon Video or on Hulu. That is our spotlight film of the weekend. If you get some time between now and the Super Bowl, put The Wiz on. We also want to remind everybody that we have Student Council Spirit Week happening next week. Let's remind everybody what the themes are. What's the first theme on Monday there, Luca?
Well, on Monday, the theme is going to be Start Smart for Your Heart Day.
That's
It's
right.
going to be all about health.
That's right. Tuesday is Cupid's Crafts Day, everybody. What's Wednesday, Joya?
Wednesday is How Do I Love Thee? Let Me Count the Ways Day.
And then Thursday?
Thursday is Be My Valentine Day. You have to bring the smallest and most dear, but visible, of your treasures to a share and tell moment on Zoom.
That's right. And then what's happening again on Friday there, Joya?
Friday is Valentine Grammys in your jammies.
That's right. I'll be putting all that information into my morning email for your parents. So if you're not sure what's happening on each day, talk to your parents. They'll have the information. Guys, we have a big Super Bowl on Sunday. We have got 2 teams. You've got the Tampa Bay Buccaneers going up against the Chiefs. Joya, which team are you predicting is going to win the big game?
Well, the Buccaneers beat the Packers, so I want the Chiefs to win. And also, a lot of my friends like the Chiefs. So
Okay.
I'm going for the Chiefs.
All right. Joya is all about the Chiefs. Luca, what about you?
I also think that Chiefs are going to win. I also have friends who enjoy them. I'm looking at you, people who are watching.
Okay, so all your friends, they're going to go for the Chiefs also. Well, listen, yesterday I did a test with my dog, Teddy. And so let me put this up on the, that's the wrong video. Here we go. We brought Teddy out and, how come I can't get that? There we go. Are you seeing that on your screen now, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so at dinner time last night, we put 2 bulls out, one with the Chiefs, one with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Let's see which one Teddy chose to be our Super Bowl champs. Here we go. Okay, everybody, we're here in the Martinez backyard. I've got 2 bulls. I've got one for the Chiefs. I've got one for the Buccaneers. Behind that gate is one hungry dog, my dog Teddy. We're gonna see which bull does he go to. This is gonna be the Super Bowl winner. Okay, release Teddy. Which bull is he gonna go to? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. No. Ooh. Oh my gosh, he went Chiefs. He went Chiefs is the winner of this year's Super Bowl. Oh my goodness. Good boy. All right, you guys saw it there. So we've got a clean sweep. Chiefs all the way. Joya, Luca, and Teddy have all predicted that the Chiefs will win the Super Bowl this year. Guys, let's do our words of wisdom. Every day you make choices, boys and girls. You choose to be respectful of others, or you choose to be disrespectful. You choose to be honest, or you choose to be dishonest. You choose to do your schoolwork or not. The choice is yours. The choice you make every day can greatly determine if you'll do well or if you'll fail.
So if you want to join the ranks of successful people, it's important that you take steps towards success today. You can do that by making the wisest choices you can, day by day, moment by moment.
American writer Ralph Waldo Emerson believed that
The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to become.
So go for it. Choose to do your personal best in all ways and at all times.
That's right. With something to think about, this is Mr. Martinez.
And Joya.
And Luca,
Make it a great day.
or not.
The choice is yours. Guys, I can hardly wait to see if the predictions on the Super Bowl are all correct or not. We'll see. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the game. Remember, go on Luca's Laudable Labs. Put in your music for the dance parties next Friday. Luca, we'll see you next Friday. Okay, buddy?
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye. Happy Friday.
Bye.